Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to connect controller to ASUS VIVOBOOK Pro. So first, open the panel in the bottom right corner and make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Then click the arrow next to a Bluetooth sign and here get your controller, enable it with the pairing mode. So in PS5 it's the PS button and a pairing button. Now it's disabled, and once again, as you can see, it's flashing, so it's in pairing mode. And now here you have DualSense wireless controller. That's it. Just click and now it's connected. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.